Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap West Laurel. Local and long-distance movers near me. Moving across the globe or interstate can be a strenuous and tough task. However, there is one decision you need to make relocating a simple task: whether to hire a professional moving company or not. Hiring a professional moving company would mean that your moving process is done by a professional team that takes care of your belongings. 3 Men and a Truck is a professional moving company helping customers move across the globe with experience of more than 20 years. Hiring a moving company for a move just a few blocks away isn't necessary. However, you will have plenty of benefits when hiring a moving company. Lifting things all by yourself can be dangerous. Local movers can make your moving task easy and simple. Contact 3 Men and a Truck. Once you've decided to hire local movers, your belongings will be packed, loaded, and transported to your new house in no time. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our West Laurel moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.